G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. We're just up in a roof and got my offsider there. He's all suited up and we're removing these fiberglass batts so then we can put in cellulose fibre insulation. And I just wanted to show you something. We've got these suits on because fiberglass is really itchy and terrible stuff to work with. And I've got a mask on, so that's why it's a bit muffled. Anyway, if I come over here though, and I'll show you here, you see that there? That's a rat's nest where a little mouse climbs in through here. You see that? And he burrows in there, into the fiberglass. Right? So that's one there. There's another one here. Little burrows in there, little burrows in there. Right. Another one over here. Right. That looks like it's not another little burrow there, but so that's 4 in those couple of batts there. And you see all these batts here that are a bit roughed up on the top. That's rats that have been digging around in it, and we'll probably find some really big nests in this roof. But fiberglass batts are notorious for getting rats into them. And these batts here, you can see all the yellowing there. That's all from urine from rats, right? Rat piss, and smells like pneumonia. And so I just got to this bay here, and I just wanted to show you something, because this is rats building nice little insulated homes in fiberglass batts. People say that they don't and that, but you can see that bat there's all torn apart, and that one there is nice and good, right? And when I lift this up, see the rat's been climbing in here and climbing in there, and he's built his little burrow in there. He's been living in there, and when we lift this up, that's all the rat poo on the ceiling, where he's been pooing on the ceiling, you know. So probably not a rat, maybe a mouse by the looks of that. We are out in the country, so could have just been little mice, but you can see there's damage to all the bats. A lot of bats up here because of mice. So there's another little hole there where they've been burrowing in there and building little nests. So it's pretty common in bats for mice to build nice little insulated homes. And so we're going to pull these out and we'll put in cellulose fibre, and I've never ever seen them build nests in cellulose because it won't hold up for them to build a nest. All right.